pumping latch closed. Let's take a look at this. So this one pops up every once in a while. Usually it's because we ripped the cassette out while the pump was infusing, or if we haven't gone through the whole process of acknowledging an alarm before we pull it out. So that's more than likely going to be error in line, and you have to go through that process of canceling it before you pull it. What it's referring to is this pumping latch down here. You see that? This thing on the right. Let's see. So let's look at the other one. Quiet that down. So look at this one. It's down. You look over here. It's up. It's down. It's up. So if you get this pumping latch mechanism, all you have to do just pull that down like that, and it'll be all good.